Hello. The Federal Reserve funds rate will be released today at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. The general consensus is for the rates to stay at 5.5%. More importantly, traders will be paying attention to the Federal Open Market Committee's economic projections, also due at 2 p.m., as well as the press conference to be held at 2:30 p.m. Eastern Time. Prior to the release, U.S. equity futures are trading slightly higher. The oil rally is taking place ahead of the Fed's interest rate decision, with investors uncertain when peak rates will be hit and how much of an impact it will have on energy demand. Yesterday's data from the American Petroleum Institute showed a 5.25 million barrel drop in crude stock in the U.S., while analysts expected a fall of 2.67 million barrels. Despite the draw, prices fell above 1% today. U.S. stocks gained as the pound slid after British annual consumer price inflation unexpectedly fell in August, causing investors to scale back bets on Bank of England rate hikes a day before its policy announcement. CPI sank to 6.7%, slowing from the July CPI of 6.8% and surprising analysts who had been expecting it to increase to 7%. Core inflation fell sharply to 6.2% from the previous month's 7.4%. Instacart shares dipped in pre-market trading today, retreating from a 12% jump on its first day of trading in New York. Instacart's well-received debut points to an emerging optimism for the recently unfavorable IPO market. Despite the stellar IPO, however, Instacart shares still have some ways to climb to reach the $39 billion valuation assigned by private investors during the pandemic, when demand was boosted by a boom in home food orders. As PhillipCapital team, we wish you happy and healthy days.